Here is our room tour of our room at the Kimpton Overlook Hotel in Atlanta by the airport. When you walk in the room, you have a closet right here with long doors. You have an iron board in there and places to hang up your clothes. Lighting inside the closet is not good. And then on this side of the closet, the same way. Lighting's not that good. Then right here you have your coffee maker, microwave, and all that, along with a refrigerator down there with a glass front door, as you can see there. It's okay refrigerator. It's not that big. Then you have a lamp there. That lamp will move, along with the TV, a desk that has our Amanda's purse on it and my drink. Then you have I guess it's the Porsche dealership right there with their own track where you can take the cars out there. Then you have a lamp right there with a couch and a table, and that's Amanda's drink with papers and menu. Then you have a mirror there. And then let's go into the bedroom. You have a stool at the end of the bed. Turn to the left, you got another TV and a dresser and another window looking at the same thing. So then you have your bed and your lamps with the tables at the edge of the bed. Then you have a sink pedestal with a bathtub. There's the bathtub. You're probably wondering where's the shower. Turn around right here behind you, and there's the big walk-in shower through this door right here. It's a nice sized shower. There, don't really have a rainfall shower head, I don't think. It's kind of standard. Now this is a suite, so we'll shut the door to there. There's the bed again, and then that's where we came from. Then you got this other hallway. Then you have a luggage rack with a suitcase on it. And you're probably wondering why where's the toilet? First, there's another closet, another iron board, and iron, and more pillows up there. Then you have another side of the closet. Looks like a bit safe. So then you turn behind me right here, and there's the toilet room with another sink pedestal. That's all that's in here. And then go back right here where we started. Amanda's hanging out in the corner. So there's our room at the Kimpton Overland Hotel at Atlanta Airport. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and support us. Thanks, and have an awesome day.